Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download an episode in the Webtoon app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Webtoon app on your Android or iOS device. Then from here, just select an original series from the homepage or search for one. For this demonstration, I'm just going to click on one of these episodes here. So Love for a Walk Romance. So I'm going to click into it. And now in order to download, on the top right, you'll see three dots. Go ahead and click onto that and then click on download. And then it shows you what to do here. Long press and drag to select multiple episodes. So if I want to do that, I can long press. But if I only want to do one episode, I'm going to choose one, but I can long press and download all of these. Like so. Click on download and that's going to download it to your device. It might ask here if do you want to continue viewing Webtoon while the data network connection is enabled. You can click continue or cancel. I'm just going to click cancel. And then as you can see, it's currently downloading.